So do you also want to know how to send bulk WhatsApp messages without knowing any programming or coding language? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can run WhatsApp marketing, create WhatsApp campaigns, send bulk WhatsApp messages without knowing any programming or coding language. As you can see, a message something like this is going to be sent to all my leads, or you can say customers today. And in this video I'll show you how you can also do this. So for that, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. I will just let you know that Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API. It can run your entire business on WhatsApp. You can automate marketing, sales, communication, and customer support. You can send offers, updates on WhatsApp, manage sales, support customers, build AI chatbots, normal chatbots, all from your WhatsApp number. And the main part is that we are official Meta tech provider. So I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. I'll just let you know how you can apply this discount coupon code. Make sure to keep it in caps lock only, and then simply apply this coupon code right over here. Make sure to apply this in uppercase only. As you can see, this is going to get you the heaviest amount, or you can see the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. So first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Now let's see how we can send these bulk WhatsApp messages without knowing any programming or coding language. For that, just come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. I've already added my WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, so I'm good to go. But if you haven't added till now, you can just add your WhatsApp number. If you want a video tutorial on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you are going to get it on your screen. Otherwise, in the description box below, we have also attached it. You can check it out. Once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow, and then you have to click on this add broadcast button. Now it is saying broadcast type, so select it as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, I am just going to enter the name over here. As you can see, this is the name of my brand, so I'm just going to simply enter the same right over here. Now for the contact list, I'm just going to select the contact list to whom I want to send these WhatsApp messages. But always a hack that you don't have to select the list directly. You first have to create the list. So in order to create the list, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, and from here you can create the contact list. You can also add the contacts. If you want to learn more about this contact section, just comment contacts and I'll share you the video for the same. So as you can see, I've already created multiple lists right over here and added multiple contacts. So I'm just going to select few lists from this only. You can select multiple lists. You can also select one list. You can also select two. It totally depends upon you how many lists you want to select. Now if you want to exclude some lists, you can refine these audience right over here. You can exclude some specific contacts too. Apart from that, you can also exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. But this is a sale and I want to send it to everyone, so I am just going to switch it off right over here. Now it is saying send message type. So over here we can send a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So what is this pre-approved template message? For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this Pabbly Chatflow's template section, and once you're on the template section over here, you have to click on this add template button and add your template. We also have some templates right over here. You can use this also if you want. Apart from that, once you create the template, Meta is going to approve your template. It is going to take some time. Once your template is approved, you can select it right over here directly. And if you don't want to go for a template message, you can go for a regular message. Select the message type. Like I want to send the message type as image, so I'm just going to select it as image right over here. Now I'm just going to enter the message which I want to send with the image, so I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. In this message, if I want to bold some text, I can simply bold the text right over here. How? I just have to add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. So one by one, I'm just going to bold all the text right over here. As you can see, these are the text which I want to bold. So one by one, let me just bold all of these text. You can also bold the text. You can also do the formatting. heading, and much more. After we complete the caption, we are moving forward right over here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to add the image. So as you can see, I've also entered the URLs too in this. Okay, so now let's see how we can add the images. So in order to add the images over here, we have to add the header file URL, but you don't have to do anything. You just have to go on this upload from media library and click on this add new image button and choose a file. Just choose the file you want to upload in your media library from your computer. It will be added right over here. Click on this upload image. That image will be added in your media library. Now you can add up to 50 at once. Now you just have to choose the image from media library, click on this insert button, and the image is inserted right over here successfully. Now it is saying contact name and mobile number. So before sending this WhatsApp message to the real clients, customers or leads, you can test it once. What you can do is you can simply enter the contact's name right over here, and you can enter the mobile number in order to test this WhatsApp message. I'm just going to enter my mobile number and click on this send test message. It is saying test broadcast send. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and you're going to see I have received a new WhatsApp message right now, and it looks perfectly fine. I can send it to all the clients and customers. So for that, I have two options. I can schedule this broadcast for later or send instantly. So if I wish to send instantly, I can go on this no send instantly and then add button, and then it will be sent instantly. If I want to schedule it for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later and choose the date and time from the calendar right over here. Like I want to schedule this for 31st of July 1 p.m. so I'm just going to select the same and move in further. It is saying automatically retry of failed contacts. So what is going to happen is I've selected the contact list, and let's say I have a total of 50 contacts in that list, and 40 contacts have received the message and 10 got failed. Then what is going to happen is automatically after few time it is going to retry to send the message to those 10 failed contacts too. If you switch on this button, you can select the number of retries and the wait between the retries. Okay, I'm just going to select the number of retries as 1 retry, and for the wait I'm just going to select it as 8 hours. It is saying wait must be between 12 to 72 hours. Okay, so let me just keep it as 12 hours only then. And it is saying after the broadcast completes, failed contacts excluding the invalid WhatsApp numbers are retried automatically upon one time, waiting 12 hours before every retry. Each retry recharges credits for the contacts it resends to. Make sure to read the help text very carefully. Then click on this add button and then add broadcast button once again, and you're going to see we have successfully added this broadcast. It is scheduled for this date and time. Once this broadcast is sent, you can go on the send section and view the stats of this broadcast. You can go on this view stats and see how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. So like this, we have successfully learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages, how to run WhatsApp marketing without any coding or programming language. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Apart from that, if you want, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below too. You can check it out. See you in the next video. Go try Pabbly Chatflow. We're offering 100 of WhatsApp messages for free today. Thank you for watching.